Finally back to work on the Chevy 250. I found out it's a 1978 Chevy engine. Oh. It's a 1978 Chevy engine. Yep, we're good. Oh, yeah. So, I didn't really show you what we gotta do. We gotta clean out all of the um oh crap. What is happening? Oh, this is oh. So we're gonna do there, maybe there, there. Oh, this one sides.
Did you get your sander out?
No, but I got it uncovered.
But what?
I got it uncovered.
Did you pull them? Open it up. I wonder if I want this one open or the other one. There's not really a breeze. What about the other one? And I can do it with a button.
Well, I have a battery.
What?
We need a battery.
Oh. There's no batteries in there.
No, and I don't think that one will fit.
No, it won't. No, 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 no.
No, because it's made for that. I pulled this out, I'm like, wait, there's no battery.
Get it off. Is that the only sander in there?
Yes.
I'll go get you a battery.
Okay. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. Well, I have a battery. But I will point to where everything needs to be sanded. So, gasket surface here, 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 all of this, here, here, all Yeah. So all these, um, there's some more. There's these four on this side, and then some more on that side. We got these two need to be shaded. The paint needs to be knocked off of them. Um, I he didn't say we have to knock off the paint on this. But he did say here because that's where seal goes. So, oh, and there's some up in here too. And also fabricate paper towels and shove them down in the shower. So the intake goes. Comment down below, guys. Should we be using an electric sander? My buddy of mine that knows about that engine. Should we be using an electric sander? Tell me in the comments. It is this engine, let me check. This engine is a 1978 Chevy 350. 1978 Chevy 350. Which I did not know. Oh, and then over here, on this little, on this little edge here, in between the cylinder and this, there is a tag, or there's a date tag that you can see, or information tag that we can sand the paint off of and type in and find out where did this engine come out of and stuff. My grandma went to get her battery, I think. Shouldn't take that long to get a battery. Oh, and happy August 1st. And I know people, you may be thinking, oh, Ethan, when does school start? School starts on August 15th. August 15th, between school starts. So I'm gonna get it all, try to get it all sanded in the next couple days so that we can finally, officially, I can order the gasket kit and start putting things back together. Yay. I've been waiting to. Oh, by the way, that this rocker that I said was loose, he said that the lifters will pump up. Where were the other changes?
Yeah. It has to be plugged in. Dylan goes, "What are you doing back here?" And I said, "I had to get a battery." He ran and brought me one. He said it was on the charger.
Is it on? You can talk.